Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: billing, user access, and account time zone so reporting aligns. Next, choose a campaign objective that matches your KPI. This guides bid strategy and ad types. Once done, link Google Analytics and import conversion actions because cross-platform data refines targeting and attribution. Now create a basic campaign skeleton with budget, locations, and languages. This first actionable setup gets you to live metrics faster and prevents common misconfigurations. You should structure campaigns logically by product line or funnel stage, so performance signals are isolated and comparable. Then create focused ad groups with tightly themed keywords and add negative keywords to reduce wasted spend. This improves quality score and CTR. Make a deliberate bidding choice: manual CPC for control, maximize conversions for automation, or target CPA for cost predictability. Also set audience and device adjustments, because small bid modifiers can lift efficiency without changing creative. You finalize by analyzing key metrics: CTR, conversion rate, CPA, and ROAS, then segment by device, location, and audience to spot patterns. Once you identify winners, run a /B tests on headlines and landing pages, pause underperformers, and reallocate budget to scale what works. Make sure to schedule regular check-ins and automate rules for routine actions. If things go wrong, first inspect ad and account status, then verify conversion tracking and policy notifications. Fixing those resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.